Similes. Spice up your conversations with vivid comparisons. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of similes. Similes are a brilliant tool to add color, vibrancy, and life to your English conversations. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use similes fluently in your everyday conversations to express your thoughts and feelings more vividly. Let's get started. Similes are a type of idiomatic expression that compare two things using the words like or as. They are a fantastic way to make your language more descriptive and engaging. For example, she swims like a fish, or he's as brave as a lion. You might wonder, why use similes in conversations? Well, similes can enhance our communication by adding depth and richness. They help to create vivid images in the listener's mind and can make your expressions more relatable and memorable. Now, let's take a look at some common similes you might hear in everyday conversations. 1. He's as strong as an ox. This simile is often used to describe someone who is very physically strong. 2. She's busy as a bee. This simile is used when someone is extremely busy or active. 3. He eats like a bird. This simile is used to describe someone who eats very little. 4. They fought like cats and dogs. This simile is used to describe two people who often argue or fight. Creating your own similes can be fun and allows you to express your unique perspective. You can compare almost anything as long as it makes sense within your conversation. For example, if you're talking about someone who's very happy, you might say, she's as happy as a kid in a candy store. That's it for today's lesson on using similes in conversations. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to paint vivid pictures and evoke strong emotions. By incorporating similes into your conversations, you'll be able to convey your thoughts and feelings more vividly. Practice is key, so try to use at least one new simile in your conversations this week. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.